Sending our flower waste to compost helps us in creating this closed loop system between our services and the flower grower. It's the most eco-friendly way to send off waste, knowing it will be transformed and reused for the purpose of growing flowers, vegetables, or other plants. We have to be very careful to make sure the waste doesn't get contaminated, and so we carefully segregate it to make sure the best quality compost is produced. The bags that we use for the green waste are very durable, they fit quite a lot, and they're compostable themselves. That reduces any extra waste items in the system.
My name's Fiona, I'm one of the co-founders of Compost, and today we are looking at the whole process that's involved in our closed-loop recycling system. So we've started off by visiting Shorts, which is one of our composting sites, where our product, which is the flowers we collect from florists, are brought to be turned into high-grade, nutrient-dense compost. We can minimise contamination and just ensure that we can guarantee to our customers that their product is being treated accordingly. 80% of floristry waste is green. I mean, that's a really unique part of the floristry business. And so our entire system operates to take that waste away from landfill and bring it through the composting process. It's the most unique part of our business is that we only take waste from florists. So the compost, once it's been produced, is supplied back into the agricultural and the horticultural industries within the UK. So that can be farmers, it can be local growers. So that's also really key. A closed loop system needs that end product to feed back in to the beginning of that process. So a lot of our florists will use flowers that have been grown in the UK sometimes, and that will have been fed by compost that's been produced in the UK.
So the biggest challenge by far is plastic. Working with the florists is unfortunately the packaging that a lot of the flowers come in, because it can't be recycled. Me giving them my knowledge about the industry and them sharing back with me what it is from their perspective, because we're sound two sides of the table here. And if we can work in partnership and work together, there'll be a lot more that can come from this.
So for us here on the farm, the soil's really chalky and hasn't got a huge amount of nutrients in it, and we need to enrich it as much as possible. And so we're regularly using compost, and obviously we want our flowers to be as healthy as possible. It's great that the circular process is these flowers going to the florist and any waste going for compost, and then the compost going back to me to grow more flowers.